my name is Lindsay Hampson from ThisRock ESG Consulting. If your company does business in California and earns over $500 million a year anywhere, you're now required under Senate Bill 261 or SB 261 to disclose your climate-related financial risks by July 1st, 2026. So this means identifying how climate change can impact your operations, your finance, your long-term strategy by publishing a clear report online. So if this is you, there is a penalty. It's $50,000 or more. So learn a little bit about SB 261 with me for the next couple minutes. There's definitely a lot of groundwork that's already in place through ESG programs and other assessments. So honestly, our job to get you ready for 261 is to create a foundation of the framework built around these four key areas, which is governance, strategy, risk management, and metrics and targets. So here's how it usually works. The project would work. Number one would be kick off with a short meeting to align on roles, review what you have currently for the environment, any materials, any policies, any data, and then map the gaps between what SB 261 needs and what you have. And then we would hold a short workshop where we could interview to identify the key climate risks, things like physical risks, regulatory changes, or even energy market exposure. Then we complete the CARB questionnaire together. Remember, it comes out December 1st, 2025, using the Task Force on Climate-Related Financial Disclosure, or people call it the TCFD framework, as our guide. And then you would want to prepare about a 15-page report called SB 261 for your company. It talks all about climate-related financial risk, ready for submission, and ready for posting on your website January 1st, 2026. There's lots of things to discuss. If you want to reach out, happy to talk. But really, at the end of this project, when you're ready to submit, you'd want a compliant SB 261 report for your business, a clear summary of the climate-related financial risks, and confidence that your business is ready for this new California disclosure. As I mentioned, the fines are lofty, so you want to do this. Rapid fire, quick points. Number one, it's not just a California thing, it's a US first thing. So it's the first state level climate financial disclosure law in the US. And it's closely mimicked after the TCFD, which I talked about, and it's underpinned by IFRS S2, lots of acronyms. Number two, doing business in California casts this wide net. You don't have to be based there. If you sell, source, operate in California, even through distributors, and your global revenue exceeds 500 million US, then you're likely in scope. Number three is SB 261 focuses on financial risk, not emissions. There's a different SB 253 all about GHGs, scope 1, scope 2, scope 3. Different story. The fourth thing is the first report is due January 1st, 2026, and it's every other year, every 2 years. The California Air Resources Board, or CARB, will likely audit and review submissions starting in 2026. 5, it's all about governance credibility. They want to see that you have senior leadership and board backing for this. 6 is existing ESG or sustainability work. It's going to help you, big head start. So for example, if you already do EcoVadis or CDP or anything else like that, you're probably just repackaging things, doing a little bit more work, filling the gaps for SB 261. Number 7 is stakeholders are going to read it, not just regulators. So customers, investors, people are going to read it. And number 8 is enforcement is coming, but education is first. So I've heard that penalties can be, for noncompliance, can be $50 all the way up to $500,000. But CARB has indicated the first cycle will emphasize education and guidance over punishment. But hey, if it was me, I definitely would not risk that. So early movers that look organized will do better, and laggards will look reactive. One is don't ignore it because it can cost you. And number 2 is it's doable, but you got to get started now. Again, my name is Lindsay Hampson. I'm from ThisRock. We help businesses all over the world, but specifically here in the US, meet sustainability regulations, build resilience, and future-ready strategies and reports. So the goal is to make compliance doable and meaningful. And if you want to talk, reach out anytime. It's thisrockesg.com, and we can help you with SB 261. All right, thanks. Have a great day.